Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the factors affecting the rate of evaporation. There are few factors which affects the rate of evaporation. So let us see the first one, nature of liquid. Nature of the liquid. For the different types of liquid, the rate of evaporation is different. For example, let us take petrol and water. Let us compare the rate of evaporation between petrol and water. You might have noticed when the petrol falls on your skin, it evaporates very fast and you feel cool. But when you wash your hand with the help of water and then let it for few minutes, it evaporates, but it takes little longer time. Do you know the reason? This is due to the nature of the liquid. The liquid which have low boiling point gets evaporated very fast, and the liquid which have high boiling point evaporates slower. So this depends on the nature of the liquid, the rate of evaporation. For the different liquids, the rate of evaporation is different, as we saw in case of petrol and water. Let us see another one. Second, temperature. Temperature is another factor which affects the rate of evaporation. When we increase the temperature of any liquid, the rate of evaporation increases, and when we decrease the temperature of the liquid, the rate of evaporation decreases. For example, when we spread the wet clothes under sunshine, due to the increased temperature of the sunshine, it evaporates very fast and the cloth dries. Next point is wind speed. Wind speed is also another factor which affects the rate of evaporation. You might have noticed that when our clothes are wet and outside is not sunny, then we used to keep the wet clothes inside the room and under the running fans. Do you know why? Because the running fan produce air, wind, and its speeds takes the water droplets from the wet cloths. As a result, faster will be the wind blowing, the more will be the water droplets carried by the winds or air. As a result, the evaporation will also take place more. So the wind speed is another factor which affects the rate of evaporation. More will be the speed of the wind, more will be the evaporation. Less will be the speed of the wind, less will be the evaporation. Let us see another point, and that is surface area. Surface area. We had discussed about the hot tea in cup and saucer. If this is a cup and the surface area of the cup tea placed in cup is this much only, this is the surface area, and if same amount of tea is kept in plate, so to say, bigger one, then but we will get bigger surface area. As a result, the amount of evaporation, suppose here also evaporating, here also evaporating, the vapor takes the heat. As a result, when the heat will be escaped out, it will be cooling. Here more space is there as compared to this. So here also, here also, here also, here also, here also, everywhere the evaporation will take place, and the heat will be taken out with the help of these vapors. As a result, the cooling effect will be faster. So here, as the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation increases. As the surface area is decreased, the rate of evaporation decreases. Let us see the last one, and very important, that is fifth number. Humidity. Humidity. Humidity is nothing. Humidity is the amount of water vapors or water droplets present in the air. So during the rainy season, due to the rainwater, the droplets are present more in the air. As a result, you might have noticed that drying of clothes in the rainy season takes place long time, and during the hot season, since the water vapors are present very less in the air, as a result, the drying of clothes takes place very faster, and the evaporation is faster. So humidity also affects the rate of evaporation. If there is less humidity, more will be the evaporation. If there will be more humidity, there will be less evaporation. As a result, this is just opposite, that is indirectly proportional, that is inversely proportional to the humidity. Evaporation is inversely proportional to the humidity. More will be the humidity, less will be the evaporation. If less will be humidity, more will be the evaporation. If you did not understand, please comment me, dear students. Thank you. Thank you for today.